Hello, it's Karen Coleman here from Kaz Design Works, and today I'm going to show you how to scale and crop an image in WordPress. If you don't have image editing software or you're editing WordPress on the fly, this WordPress trick is for you. Why would you need to crop or scale your images? So some reasons why you might want to scale an image or crop an image could be to remove an area of the photo, such as the foreground or the background. To show only a specific area of a photo, such as an individual person in the photo, or to crop someone out if you have somebody photobombing. You could be cropping your image so that the photo fits better on the page. You may wish to convert a landscape photo to a portrait photo or vice versa, or you may need a square photo or some other dimensions such as a video screen capture. Perhaps the original photo is too big and it would use a lot of data or take too long to load, and you want to help reduce the file size and thereby reduce data consumption when people view the page it's on or when they click the thumbnail to view the original image. As well as cropping and scaling your image, you can also flip or rotate it, which you may need to do if the image was taken on a mobile device or if you took a selfie and don't want the mirror image of yourself or any text that is in the image showing backwards. So first, I'm going to show you how to scale your image. So I have a couple of images on this page already, and I'm going to start with the top one. So to make any edits, we click on the image itself, and then we click the edit icon, and then we get this window with edit original underneath. And we get the option to scale it here on the right-hand side. And it's always best to scale images first because only the original image is changed, and so you want to start with the original image and then crop or make any edits from the original image. So this image is going to be cropped, so I'm going to allow a little bit of extra width on it, but I don't want it as big as 2143, so I am going to do it at 1600 for now, and I'm going to click the scale button. Now this will save the change immediately. Image saved. And so this is now scaled to 1600, but it's a little bit wide for what I want. I want to get rid of this here, and I want to get rid of the top and the bottom lines. So I also want to crop this image. So all I need to do, I put my mouse inside the image area, drag it and extend it to where I want the image cropped, and I want to miss out the top, so that's good. I want to miss out the bottom, so that's good. And then now this crop tool is now active, so I can click the crop tool, and there we have a cropped image. And then once you've done that, you can apply it to all image sizes, just the thumbnail, or all sizes except the thumbnail. So I'm happy with it being all images, so I'm going to save that, and that will produce a cropped version of my image. And so I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click the update button, and now I have an updated image on my page. I'm just going to check that it is the large one. Yep, it's the large one, not the original. And I'm just going to show you with another image. So this image here, I don't like the dark area in the bottom, so I'm going to click the edit icon, edit original. Now again, this is a bit too big, and the maximum I want is 1400, so I'm going to scale it first. Now that it's scaled, I actually only want, I want this area here cropped out, so I'm going to select the full width. So I didn't quite get the edge there, so all I need to do is pull it out a bit there and bring this down a bit because I want to crop out some of the sky as well. Click the crop icon, and then it's all how I want it. I don't want it on my thumbnail, so I'm going to do all sizes except thumbnail, and then I'm going to save. And as you can see, we have a landscape version of this image. And then I just simply update it. And there you have two ways to resize your photos, one by cropping and one by scaling. There's a lot of other options you can do with your image. So for instance, with this one here, if I just wanted to select this area here, I could actually have chosen an aspect ratio of 1:1, and then by holding the Shift key down, this will allow this to be a square image. Once I've selected it, you can see here it says 658 by 658, and then I would just click the crop tool and it would save it as a square image. I do not want to save that right now, so I'm going to cancel it. And I'm going to click here because I don't want to save it. But that is how you would crop it into a square, or any other dimension. You would just choose the size that you want, the aspect ratio that you want. So, by the way, if you decide you don't want to use the scaled or cropped image, you can restore the original image. And I'll show you quickly how to do that. So again, you go back to here, and here it says Restore Original Image. And so you can click Restore Image, and that will put your image back to the original size, and you'll see its image restored successfully. So I can click off the X, and that will restore the original size. For more tips and tricks for WordPress, please visit kazdesignworks.com or my Facebook page at facebook.com/kazdesignworks or my YouTube channel.